Hi everyone, my name is Krista and I'm going to talk to you about how to use EdPuzzle. So EdPuzzle is a really cool website where you can pull in your own videos or videos that you care about, and you can ask questions, and then students have to watch those videos and have to answer the questions. So this keeps students accountable for watching all the videos. And you're able to see this. You're able to see them answering the questions. They can get points for those questions. So it helps you to know that they're actually getting the information in an online class. So when you want to add information or media to EdPuzzle, there's a search content bar up here. What I do is I go to my YouTube homepage and I pick up a video that I care about. So I make my videos via Screencast-O-Matic, and then I upload them to YouTube. Once I have them uploaded, I can then share them. So I copy the information here from the Share tab. I go back into my EdPuzzle and I share it with myself in EdPuzzle. So here's that same video. I'm going to just click Finish for now. And I'm going to go back to the home page. Okay, so here now I have that video that I just posted in YouTube. Up here I have 3 different folders, and I can make more folders by adding content. So I can add new folder and I can make it named anything I want. Krista's wow videos. And I can describe it, my videos. I can do that as well. And then I add it, and there's that new video folder. And just like you can add, you can also delete it. So I'm going to delete that folder because I don't need it, okay? And there's nothing in it. So these 2 videos, I can move into a folder, and since these are both from my fundamentals class, I'm going to move them into my fundamentals folder. So I move to folder, fundamentals, move, and then I'm done. Okay, so you can put as many videos as you want into each folder. If you look at my folders, I have a lot of videos already posted. These are videos that I have already made. And as I make more videos, I add them. So right now I have both my chapter 1 and 2 for Gen Bio because I'm upgrading those videos, or I'm redoing those videos for this semester. Once I have that done, I then can go in and I can add questions. So I'm just going to pick chapter 2, part 1. I don't have any questions on it. You can see that. Here you can see I have 3 questions, 6 questions. So I can go into my video. I hit edit, and then you can cut the video if you think it's too long. You can do a voiceover. I've never done that. I add questions. And so the type of questions you can add are multiple choice. You can have like a short answer type question, or you can just add a note. So this is probably the worst part. I won't lie. You have to listen to yourself talk if you do your own videos.
Welcome to chapter 2 of General.
So I'm just going to move it up here and say at 4 minutes, I want to ask a question right here. I click on multiple choice and I want to say, if an atom contains 2 protons and 2 neutrons, what is the mass? And then I can say 2, 4, 6, 5, right? And then I would just go through and I would choose the correct answer and save it. Okay.
Massive.
And then I can add another question here. I can make another question. I can do an open-ended question and say, what is the atomic number of an atom? save, right?
Yeah.
And so now I have an open-ended question. So I continue and
Mass of 12.
now it's going to talk. I can move this again, and I don't do it this way. I usually just listen to my voice and I choose another area, and you can ask another question. Define isotope or whatever I want, right? What is a radioisotope? And then I have answer A, B, C, and say C is the correct answer. I just clicked on the correct answer and I save it. What I normally do is at the very end of my videos, I ask, what are you struggling with understanding from this video? That's usually my last question. It's right at the end. And what's great is once I'm done,
all elements have.
So once I'm done, I hit finish. So now I'm done with this. I can go back to my content and I can see that it's done. Go in here. I was in my general biology. I was in chapter 2, part 1. I always have to refresh my page to show that it actually, all those questions are there so you can see them. So I can then go into my course. Once I'm in my course, I go down to create learning activity. I clicked on the external tool right here. I then click on pre-configure tool and add EdPuzzle. I select the content. It pulls up all the folders. I go into my general biology folder. Down here, oops, I went too far. Here's chapter 2, part 1 right here. I'm going to look at this one. This is what I want to use. I click assign and I assign it. Now I can come over here and I can add a grade to this. So you can change it. I typically use 3 points for each of my assignments, but that's just me. I'd put it in as a lecture assignment under EdPuzzle, which I've already set up. You have to set that up on your own. And then I click save and return to course. Okay. So now it's sitting down here as an assignment, and you can move it around. I typically move it. I would put it under my EdPuzzle assignments. I'm going to delete this because I didn't actually ask questions. I didn't go through my thing, but I just want to show you what I would do. So now let's assume I'm a student coming into the class. So here I am, I'm John Doe, and I want to start my work. So I go into my fall general biology class. I go into week 1's work. And I see that I have a bunch of EdPuzzles I have to do. So I click on an EdPuzzle and it goes right to the class. So I see where the questions are, but I can't fast forward through the video to get to the questions to answer them. I have to listen to the information. So this is actually beneficial because it kind of forces students to do the work. I know that there are ways around it, but at least it's a step in the right direction. I hope this video helped you to understand how to use EdPuzzle and everything, but if you do have any questions, please let me know. I can help, or you can talk to Cindy. I'm sure she can help as well. And I hope a lot of people start using EdPuzzle. It's really great. Bye.